Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I teach you on how to draw cartoon characters but in a very simple way. So for today's video, we have Darwin Watterson from a very funny cartoon that is none of the others, The Amazing World of Gumball. So basically Darwin is my most favorite character in the cartoon. This is why I am going to draw him for today's video. So now, starting off, let's start with the basic shape of Darwin's body, which is basically oval shape, and maybe some sort of rectangle going on right here. We can change that. Okay, so to start it off, maybe we can imitate this oval part of Darwin's face. So we start it like this, make it oval. We do it oval shape like this. Maybe if you want to make it easier, you can... No. So to start drawing Darwin, as you can see, it is basically an oval shape right here going on. The face is oval, the head is oval, but we can simplify it with using a basic polygon like rectangle or maybe squares, but I will use rectangle for now. So to start it off, we can make this part into some sort of rectangle right here going on, and then another rectangle up here. So to start that, we make a straight line for the chin part right here. So the chin, a straight line of a rectangle, and then going up this part, we make it a bit slanted like this, but not really. And then we make it down here like this, and then complete the some sort of rectangle part right here. And then we add for the head, we add some sort of another rectangle up here. It goes right here, and then don't go all the way to complete this part, but we go it like this, we do it like this. Okay, now we have this whole thing. Maybe you want to erase this part of the shape, because this polygon will be the whole head. And then Darwin has this some sort of tail going on right here, so we add another maybe a square behind this for the tail. And then look at those long legs. It's very simple. Just go down like this for the legs. Nothing to worry about. It's just a very simple leg shape. And then maybe you want to make two rectangles for this part for the leg. So we add a rectangle right here and another rectangle right here. And then, as you can see, there are some details going on right here, but it's not very important right now. We will add that later. And now we will draw the hand. The hand looks very kind of complicated, but it's not that hard, to be honest. It's just a U shape and another U shape, some sort of S, but just maybe you can try to make it. Okay, look, it's a U shape. You see it's a U shape, and then add another U starting from here, another U shape like this, and then you just complete the shape like this. It's very easy, very simple. So another one is you add another U shape and just add another U right here, like this. And a U shape, you see? And another U shape right here. It's very easy. Okay, that is done. We're done with that part. And then we add the face of Darwin. So for the face, as you can see, he has a very circle side of eyes, just like our previous video, like SpongeBob. Very similar, big eyes, big circle eyes, and some eyelashes. So we do it a big circle eye right here, and a pupil, and some lashes. Another one, big circle eye going on right here, a pupil, and some lashes. And then Darwin has eyebrows, a thick, curved eyebrows right here. Maybe you can just make it like that, another one make it like that, and just like fill it in, make it thick. Simple as that. And then Darwin has a very cheeky smile. Just make it into a curved smile, but add those fluffy cheeks right here. And you're done. That's Darwin. It's very simple. But the shape is not exactly right. So this is the part where you start to draw. So to draw this, make sure, once again I remind you to use pen for this part, and for the sketch part use pencil. For digital users, digital paint users, just make it into 2 layers so you will erase the sketch part later. Okay, now maybe we can start off with the head of Darwin. So for the head, it's quite tricky, but maybe you can try to be very careful with the edges right here. Maybe we want to start with this part, and that we don't follow the edge like that, but we go around it. So to go around it, you start from here and then go around like this. Start from here, go around. So we start from here, we go around like this. You see, you have to be very careful, and then you go down. And there you go, the basic Darwin shape. But the head is not quite correct. And there you go, the basic Darwin shape. But the head is not quite correct because it's very edgy. And the original Darwin shape, it's very curvy. So we have to fix that. So from here, you add some lines like this, like some curvy lines like this. You start from here and then end it here, and then from here you may want to end it here like this. You do a curvy line just like that. It's very simple. And then just follow through this part, and then this is straight, and then this part as well. We want to demolish the edge, the curve, the sharp edge. We add curve right here. And then same goes to this part. From here you would want to make it curvy until here, and then we go curve all the way through the back of the head, and maybe in this part you add more curve to it, but we will have to add curve here first for you to see on where you want to add the curve. Okay, so from here the curve you would want to end it here, so you go curve like this, make some curve like this, and for this part you can't let it be flat. You would want to connect this one and this one for curves. So you go curve just like that. And now you're done with the curves. Now what would you want to do with Darwin's tail? It's the same thing. You make it curvy like this, and like this. It's very simple. Just erase the edge, and then you're good to go. Same goes for the legs, except these two parts are not supposed to be edgy. It's not supposed to be curved, but these two are supposed to be curved. But as you can see, Darwin has a very flat leg, so you can just ignore this part, this flat part, but you add the curve right here and the curve up here. You make it curvy, and that's it. Same goes right here. You add the curve right here and right here, and then there you go. The curved leg is done, and then you would want to erase some of this part, erase some of this, so you don't confuse yourself with the lines later, with the details. And maybe you want to erase this part as well. Erase all the unnecessary lines that you will not follow, like this one as well. Erase this edge, that you don't need this anymore, because the edge, the rectangle shape that we did initially is only for drawing the curves, to determine the curves of Darwin. So we erase this part of the edge, erase this part as well, and also this part. This one, maybe you want to fix it into connecting it like this. And then for the details, as you can see, Darwin doesn't have any shirt on him, he just have shoes. So for the shoes, just add a straight line through this, and another straight line through this, a slanted line right here, another slanted line right here, and two oval shape, a very simple and small oval shape right here. And there you go, Darwin is done.